And now the third clip. I want that you know that I have decided to divide this movie, The Holiday, all right, that was released in 2006, okay, that I love so much. I watched this movie so many times, all right? So I decided to, select 3 different clips from this movie because you can learn many things. Why? Because Jack in this movie is able to move 3 different levels of himself, and especially 3 different levels and nuances of his voice. So I think could be very, very helpful. Remember, it's not very strong and hard rock like School of Rock. Nuances are slightly different, but as I always say, differences, even if they are small, they are important. Okay, so let's watch this first clip.
Yeah, Santa Ana's.
Pardon?
The wind, it's what makes it so warm this time of year.
Legend has it, when the Santa Anas blow, all bets are off. Anything can happen.
Okay. Don't blow away.
Don't blow away!
Okay, so someone has probably, immediately understood that there is a clip that has got 2 connected moments, okay? And the goal of this clip for me is when they both say in different moments of the movie their own way to say bye, all right? I love it so much. So please take just one moment, because this is another important thing talking about our voice. Many people can teach you how to say don't blow away, all right? From the accent, from the poses, from whatever it is, okay? But I love how they both say this small sentence. Did you notice something? Again, stop the video. Make me some question. Ask me why. Or tell me your opinion. Yes, you are right. If we want to talk about technical point of view, both they are using their voice and the muscles and the tongue in some way smoothly, all right? Very soft, very smooth, and that's fine, but this is not enough. In an acting point of view, they are in some way giving us a sense of, I would like to see you again. But we miss the most important part, the consistency one, and especially the inborn voice one. These 2 actors are in some way connected. I really like the moment that they spend together, because we will see it later and there is another reason, but here it's very easy to see how they say don't blow away. Can you hear the difference? I'm not just pronunciation, I'm not just saying something. Don't blow away. It's like, especially Jack, is savoring something sweet. The tongue is rolling in some way, just savoring. Don't blow away. Practice this, goodbye, bye, don't blow away. I would like to say to you, don't blow away. And listen what happened to your voice, and listen what happened to your tongue. If you feel that it's like savoring something that you love, sweet or not, you are on the right road. And especially the romantic part, it's never missed here. He is very romantic. And I really like when Jack is romantic because I think he is a very romantic person. He truly believes in love. Subscribe to the channel and like the video.